These rust cleaning videos are going viral. Millions of views from simple, oddly satisfying clips. And the best part? You can make them entirely with AI, completely free. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create videos like these step by step. First, open your master prompt document. You'll find it in the description. This is the prompt that will generate all the ideas and instructions you need for your video. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you run it, ChatGPT generates a list of rusted metal objects, chains, gears, pipes, tools, basically anything that could realistically rust. Pick the object you want to use. Simply type its number. For example, I'll be going with number 13, so I'll type 13 and send it. ChatGPT will then give you two prompts, one for image generation and one for video generation. Start with the image prompt, copy it, and open our favorite AI tool, Grok AI. Click on the image option, paste the prompt into Grok. Make sure you choose 9:16 ratio for the short and then click Generate. Grok will create multiple image options. Select the image that looks the most realistic, because this will be the base for your video. Next, click the Make Video option in Grok. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt and paste it into Grok. Grok will generate the video from your image, adding realistic motion and effects. Once the video is ready, you can upscale it and download it. Repeat this process for a few more objects so you have multiple clips to work with. Finally, open any of your favorite video editor. Again, I'll be using CapCut today. Import all your clips, arrange them in order, and add relaxing music or maybe your own commentary. Adjust the timing if needed, and then export. And that's another AI build with Rich B. Your viral rust cleaning short is completely ready. Subscribe for more tutorials on creating AI videos completely free.